Your body is constantly rebuilding itself, balancing hormones, protecting your heart, feeding your brain, and repairing damage you may never feel. But when your meals are built around convenience instead of nutrition, the body can slowly run short of the materials it needs. The good news is that a few simple foods can help fill those gaps. Over time, those small shortages can influence how energetic, strong, and resilient you feel each day. These are not rare superfoods or expensive powders. They are everyday foods packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and protective plant compounds. Adding even 2 or 3 of them more often can improve the quality of your meals, support steadier energy, and make healthy eating feel far more satisfying. The real power comes from eating them consistently, not from searching for one perfect ingredient. In this video, you will discover 11 of the healthiest foods your body may need more of, why each one matters, and simple ways to include each one without changing your entire routine. Stay until the end, because the final foods are especially useful for supporting digestion, recovery, and long-term health. Number 1 may already be in your kitchen, but you may not realize how much nutrition it provides. Complete protein and powerful nutrients. Eggs give your body all 9 essential amino acids, making them one of the easiest foods for supporting muscle repair, strength, and fullness. They also contain choline, a nutrient involved in brain function, liver health, and normal cell structure, yet many people do not get enough of it. That combination is especially useful as you age, when maintaining lean tissue becomes increasingly important. The yolk is where many of the most valuable nutrients are concentrated, including vitamin B12, selenium, vitamin A, and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients help support the nervous system, immune defenses, and eye health. Eating the whole egg usually provides far more nutritional value than eating only the whites. Keeping the yolk also makes the meal more satisfying and helps your body absorb several fat-soluble compounds. Eggs are also incredibly practical. You can boil them in advance, scramble them with vegetables, or add them to a whole-grain breakfast for a more balanced meal. Pairing eggs with fiber-rich foods such as spinach, tomatoes, oats, or fruit can help create a breakfast that keeps you satisfied and energized for longer. This combination is simple, affordable, and far more nourishing than beginning the day with sugary pastries. Omega-3 support for the heart and brain. Salmon provides high-quality protein along with EPA and DHA, 2 omega-3 fats that help support normal inflammation control, cardiovascular health, and brain function. These fats are difficult to obtain in meaningful amounts from most everyday foods, which makes fatty fish especially valuable. They are particularly important because the body cannot produce enough of them on its own. Salmon also supplies vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium. Together, these nutrients support bones, muscles, red blood cell formation, thyroid function, and the nervous system. Its combination of protein and healthy fat makes salmon satisfying, which can help you build filling meals without relying on heavy sauces or refined carbohydrates. Salmon's nutrients work together, which is why it offers much more than protein alone. Try baking salmon with herbs and lemon, adding it to a large salad, or serving it with roasted vegetables and brown rice. Even 1 or 2 servings per week can improve the variety of fats in your diet. Choose fresh, frozen, or canned salmon based on your budget, because all 3 can be nutritious options. Aim for cooking methods that preserve the fish's natural flavor instead of covering it with sugary glazes. Protein, calcium, and gut-friendly cultures. Plain Greek yogurt is rich in protein, making it useful for preserving muscle, controlling hunger, and supporting recovery. It also provides calcium and phosphorus for bones and teeth, while varieties containing live cultures can help support a healthier balance of bacteria in the digestive system. Choosing an unsweetened version gives you these benefits without turning a healthy food into dessert. Compared with many sweetened yogurts, plain Greek yogurt usually contains less added sugar and more protein per serving. This makes it a stronger base for breakfast or snacks. You can control the sweetness yourself by adding berries, cinnamon, chopped nuts, or a small amount of fruit instead of relying on heavily flavored products. This gives you flavor and texture while keeping the entire meal naturally nutrient-dense. Greek yogurt can also replace less nutritious ingredients in many meals. Use it in smoothies, mix it into overnight oats, or combine it with herbs as a creamy dip or dressing. This simple switch can increase protein while reducing excess sugar or saturated fat, depending on what it replaces in your usual routine. It is one of the easiest healthiest foods to use in both sweet and savory meals throughout the week. Small berries with powerful protection. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give them their deep blue color. These compounds act as antioxidants and may help protect cells from oxidative stress. Blueberries also provide vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and fiber in a naturally sweet, low-calorie package. Regularly choosing deeply colored fruits is a simple way to increase the variety of protective compounds in your diet. Their fiber slows digestion and helps support regular bowel movements, while their natural sweetness can satisfy cravings for dessert-like foods. Because blueberries are easy to eat without preparation, they make healthy choices more convenient. Frozen blueberries are just as useful and can often be less expensive than fresh ones. Their intense color remains even when frozen, showing that many of their beneficial pigments are still present. Add blueberries to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, smoothies, or whole grain pancakes. You can also eat them with a handful of walnuts for a snack that combines fiber, healthy fat, and antioxidants. The goal is not to consume huge amounts, but to use berries regularly as a simple replacement for sweets with little nutritional value. A small daily portion is enough to make breakfasts and snacks more colorful, flavorful, and nutrient-rich. Mineral-rich fuel with very few calories. Spinach, kale, arugula, and other leafy greens provide folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, beta-carotene, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients support blood formation, bones, muscles, blood pressure regulation, and normal immune function while adding substantial volume to meals. They are among the simplest foods for adding more micronutrients without greatly increasing your total calorie intake. Leafy greens also contain fiber and many protective plant compounds. Eating them regularly can improve the overall nutrient density of your diet without making meals feel heavy. Their high water content helps increase fullness, and their bitter or peppery flavor can add variety that makes simple meals more interesting. Different varieties provide slightly different compounds, so rotating them can improve both flavor and nutritional variety. You do not need to eat a giant bowl of plain kale. Add spinach to eggs, stir chopped greens into soups, blend a small handful into a smoothie, or serve arugula under grilled chicken or salmon. Cooking often reduces the volume, making it easier to consume a meaningful serving without feeling overwhelmed. Even one handful added to a familiar dish can noticeably raise its nutritional value. Steady energy and soluble fiber. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like texture in the digestive tract. This can help slow digestion, support healthier cholesterol levels, and keep you satisfied after breakfast. Oats also provide manganese, magnesium, iron, and several B vitamins. This special fiber also feeds helpful gut bacteria, connecting oats with both heart and digestive health. Unlike many breakfast cereals, plain oats allow you to control the amount of sugar and flavoring added. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates provide a steadier source of energy than pastries or sugary cereals. When combined with protein and healthy fat, oats can become a complete breakfast rather than a quick meal that leaves you hungry. That steadier pattern may support concentration and reduce the urge to snack shortly after eating. Build a stronger bowl by adding Greek yogurt, milk, chia seeds, berries, cinnamon, or walnuts. Overnight oats are useful when mornings are busy, while warm oatmeal can be more comforting and filling. Choose rolled oats or steel-cut oats most often, and treat heavily sweetened instant packets as an occasional convenience. Preparing several jars in advance can remove one more excuse for skipping a nutritious breakfast. Plant protein, iron, and lasting fullness. Lentils provide a powerful combination of protein and fiber, two nutrients that help control hunger and support stable energy. They are also rich in folate, iron, potassium, and magnesium, making them especially useful for people who want more nutrition without spending heavily on food. They are inexpensive, shelf-stable, and easy to keep available for quick and satisfying meals. The fiber in lentils feeds beneficial gut bacteria and supports regular digestion. Their carbohydrates are absorbed more slowly than many refined foods, which can help prevent the sharp rise and fall in energy that often follows white bread, sweets, or sugary drinks. Lentils can also help make meals more filling with fewer calories. This slow, steady release makes them especially valuable in lunches that need to carry you through the afternoon. Use lentils in soups, salads, stews, or bowls with vegetables and whole grains. Canned lentils are convenient. Simply rinse them to reduce excess sodium. If you are not used to legumes, begin with a small serving and increase it gradually. This gives your digestive system time to adapt to the higher fiber intake. Once they become familiar, lentils can replace part of the meat in many recipes without sacrificing satisfaction. Healthy fats for the brain and heart. Walnuts provide polyunsaturated fats, including a plant-based omega-3 called alpha-linolenic acid. They also contain protein, fiber, magnesium, copper, and antioxidants. This nutrient combination makes walnuts a compact food that can improve the quality of snacks and meals with very little preparation. Their natural plant compounds also help protect these delicate fats from oxidative damage inside the food. Because nuts are energy-dense, portion size matters, but that does not make them unhealthy. A small handful can be highly satisfying and may help reduce the desire for less nutritious snacks. The fat and fiber slow digestion, while the crunchy texture encourages slower eating compared with many soft, highly processed foods. Measuring a portion instead of eating directly from the bag makes it easier to enjoy them mindfully. Sprinkle walnuts over oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, or pair them with fruit for a balanced snack. Choose plain or lightly roasted versions more often than heavily salted or sugar-coated varieties. Storing walnuts in the refrigerator or freezer can help protect their delicate fats and keep them tasting fresh for longer. Their mild, earthy flavor works especially well with apples, bananas, berries, and leafy salads. Creamy fiber and heart-friendly fat. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fat, the same general type of fat found in olive oil. It also provides fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin K, vitamin E, and several B vitamins. This combination supports satisfying meals while helping the body absorb fat-soluble nutrients from vegetables. Its mixture of fat and fiber can make plant-based meals feel much more complete and satisfying. Adding avocado to a salad can improve both texture and nutrition. Its fat helps the body absorb carotenoids, protective compounds found in foods such as tomatoes, carrots, and leafy greens. Avocado also offers far more fiber than most people expect, which makes it useful for digestion and longer-lasting fullness. This is one reason a small amount of avocado can improve the nutritional value of an entire vegetable-rich meal. Use a quarter or half an avocado on whole grain toast, in a salad, beside eggs, or blend it into a dressing. Because it is calorie-dense, it works best as a replacement for less nutritious fats, rather than an unlimited extra. Replace creamy processed sauces with avocado to gain more nutrients and fiber. A squeeze of lemon and a pinch of pepper can add flavor without requiring a complicated recipe. Colorful carbohydrates with lasting nutrition. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A for immune function, skin health, and normal vision. They also supply fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and manganese, giving you a nutrient-rich source of carbohydrates for energy and recovery. Unlike many refined starches, they bring important vitamins and minerals along with the energy they provide. Their natural sweetness can make healthy meals feel more enjoyable, while their fiber helps slow digestion compared with many refined carbohydrate foods. Orange varieties are especially rich in beta-carotene, but purple and white sweet potatoes also contain valuable nutrients and protective plant compounds. Rotating the different colors can expose your body to a wider range of antioxidants and natural pigments. Bake or roast sweet potatoes and pair them with protein, vegetables, and healthy fat. Keep the skin when appropriate for additional fiber. Avoid turning them into a dessert with large amounts of sugar or butter. Simple seasonings, such as cinnamon, paprika, garlic, or herbs, can bring out their flavor. Cooling cooked sweet potatoes can also make them convenient for salads, bowls, or next-day lunches. Fiber and protective compounds in every bite. Broccoli provides vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and fiber. It also contains glucosinolates, natural plant compounds studied for their role in the body's protective systems. This makes broccoli an excellent vegetable for supporting overall diet quality. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli deserve regular space on the plate because their natural compounds are unusually diverse. Broccoli supports digestion through its fiber and helps increase meal volume without adding many calories. It also provides antioxidants and nutrients needed for bones, immune function, and tissue repair. Light cooking can make it easier to digest while preserving much of its texture, color, and nutritional value. Chewing it well and introducing it gradually may help if larger servings cause temporary bloating. Steam, roast, or quickly stir-fry broccoli until it is tender but still bright. Pair it with olive oil, lemon, garlic, or a small amount of cheese to make it more enjoyable. Frozen broccoli is affordable, convenient, and nutritious, so you do not need fresh produce every time to benefit from it. Keeping a bag in the freezer makes it easy to add vegetables even when fresh groceries are running low. You do not need to eat all 11 foods every day. The strongest approach is to rotate them across the week and build meals that include protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, colorful plants, and healthy fats. Start with the foods you already enjoy, then add one new choice until it becomes a normal part of your routine. Consistency matters far more than trying to create a flawless menu from the first day. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 11 foods do you already eat regularly, and which one does your body need more of? Your answer may help another viewer discover an easy place to begin. And if this video made healthy eating feel simpler, subscribe to Healthy Grams and turn on notifications. Share this video with someone who wants to improve their diet without following confusing or extreme rules. Remember, better health is rarely built through one dramatic meal. It grows from the nutritious choices you repeat when life is busy, stressful, or inconvenient. Give your body more protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, and it will have better materials to support your energy, strength, recovery, and long-term health. The healthiest body is supported by ordinary choices made repeatedly, not by temporary extremes or impossible perfection.